Hey guys, welcome to Reviewer Family. We received this product to test and try. Let's explore together so it helps in your buying decision.
It's a 118-inch U-shaped sectional sofa, Corduroy cloud couch with a Chaise and Ottoman. So you can see it here as a demo for the final product, and let's start with the unboxing. So this comes in a 4 size package. So two is here, two I just showed before, and these are all vacuum packed. So you have to be careful, but the experience for getting it into the size is really nice, as you can see. So once I just cut and it, the way it opens up is very satisfying and really nice for getting into the shape. Just give 24 to 48 hours so that it will regain its shape, and then you can put it along. So let's explore this one. So no assembly is required. This is already assembled product, and just give it some time for taking up the shape. So it's around 118 inches by 63 inches with the chase, and then the Ottoman is around 25.6 inch. It can hold up to 1200 lbs. So and you can see like it really looks nice, and this is the black color that comes with a nice corduroy sheet, which is really soft and durable. So you can see it here that it have additional seat in between, and also have the Ottoman, so it's giving a nice U shape with a good 118-inch size. So nice back support, lumbar support, hip support, and the leg support with the nice soft material. As you can see, very nice fabric. You can easily take this out and wash because it have this zipper. So you can easily take out this fabric, wash it, and then you can put it back. So overall this looks really nice, and you can see and feel um, the nice cushioned thing. The chaise itself is very spacious. So as you can see, I'm just trying to show you the chaise itself. So you can see with the seat in between, it increases in the size. So really good experience. The height is around 16 inches and 55 inches for the chaise itself, and 33.5 is the width. So even if the kids are jumping on it, there is no problem. It's like a memory foam, a nice memory foam heart shape thing which will regain its shape whenever you use it, and comfortable in the sitting with the back support. All these you know things are coming with the couch. All these pillows are with the couch, so it's really good. And then in the jumping goes no problem, and then it's comfortable with the whole chase thing. As I explained, you have the arm support, and then you can easily hold with the nice wide chase. With the soft fabric pillows, this gives a really nice elegant look, and nice structure overall. So I like the fact is that no assembly is required. It comes with the pillow with the same colors and the fabric, and also you can take out this with a zipper, wash it, and you can hold up the whole size and thing. So see, with the Ottoman also it gives like a two chase effect. Very comfortable and very nice sofa set. So comfortable for adults, kids, and everybody, and it can hold up to 1200 lbs as I mentioned, and the nice thing overall. So hope you like this, and I really recommend this for your home.